Hello Bon, this is Jeff again. In this video I want to explain to you about the boxes and see if we can't get a better box. This is the inner carton here, Bon. That's the inner box. That's what it looks like. It's very thin cardboard. I like the way that you have put the skull in this plastic wrap. That's good. That protects it pretty well. But Bon, this box is very, very soft, and what I need is a nicer inner carton. See, I don't need this inexpensive, cheap inner carton. What I need is a better quality box, and I'll show you. This is nice and sturdy. You see, it's a harder, it's physically thicker box. You see the thickness of it there? And then when you put the skull in the box, then you can close it up. You see, and this, for me, this box is solid enough to ship. Notice it doesn't collapse. I can beat on it, it's very solid. Whereas this box here, your inner carton box, is very, very thin. Very thin. And you can see the difference in the two boxes side by side. There's your box. And here's the kind of box that I need. Now, it can be the same size, Bon, or it can be just barely bigger than the box. You see, there's some room in there. And I can put other packing material if I want. Like I use this foam material here. And see, I can put pieces of this in here and pad it around what you've got and help it to go better. But I can't use this box to ship in. It's just too thin. It's very, very thin material. So hopefully you understand that, and we'll talk about the rest of it. Thank you.